Okay, easy Yorkshire puddings. Let's go. Right, the best thing to remember here is just use equal amounts-ish of everything. Equal amounts of egg, equal amounts of flour, equal amount of milk. Maybe a little splash of milk extra, but here we go. So, in 3 eggs here, they were large eggs, 170 grams approximately. Pop that in a jug-ish. Yep, there we go. Then we're going to add 170 grams of flour, plain flour. Just smash that on top of there. A bit inexact. Yep. We'll reset. Now I know that this flour is quite absorbent, so I'm going to put a little bit extra milk in. So I think I've gone for about, well, you can see the scales there, what have I gone? 230 grams of milk, but roughly the same. Give that a good mix by hand. Some recipes say a stick blender, but I'm not a fan. You do it by hand because you don't want to break down all the flour too much. You need to leave that to do its magic in the fridge for an hour at least. I'm going to add a splash of cold water here, ice cold water, so let the tap run for a bit. Just a little splash like that. Smoking hot tray. Crank your oven up as high as it'll go with the oil so it's really hot. It should be fizzing like that when you pour it in. Try and pour it in the centre, and then hopefully you'll get a nice little hole. Collect all your nice gravy. We'll speed this up. So as you can see, this 3 eggs and flour and that amount of milk is enough for 12 kind of mini Yorkshire puddings. We go over to the oven. Again, really hot. 220 degrees. A bit hot that maybe. 225, 230. After 10 minutes, turn it down to 180. Just let them go nice and brown, dry out a little bit. Should be perfect for mopping up gravy. And that's it. Yorkshire puddings, done.